I'm going to talk to you a little bit about hacking Performance Max. One of the big criticisms of Performance Max is that it steals from other campaigns, which I think is really funny because what people are saying is, hey, we have these campaigns that are working and then Performance Max steals from those campaigns. And I don't like that, so I turned it off. And I'm like, well, did you notice that Performance Max works better than the campaigns that are working? Which is generally the case. Here's what's interesting, is Performance Max is going to go to where it can find the most efficient traffic, which might mean the cheapest traffic. Also, and this is mildly conspiratorial in thinking, but I would assume that Google's trying to maximize the value of its inventory, and its display-based inventory is its least utilized. It's the biggest opportunity for Google. So what we've noticed is Google is pushing into display and discovery. And you might say, I want to stay inside of search and shopping, or I'd like it to at least maximize opportunities inside of search and shopping. Here is the ultra secret super ninja hack. Shout out to Usama on our team for coming up with this. I think he came up with this. He told me about it. Because Performance Max is the thief of a campaign, if you notice that Performance Max is pushing too strongly into discovery and display, and you want to make sure that you're continuing to prioritize search and shopping, run search and shopping campaigns. Now, they won't run, right? Because Performance Max steals from campaigns, but you're putting Google in a position to where in order to run Performance Max, it has to steal from your campaigns, and it's going to steal from your campaigns along the lines of where that theft would be necessary in order for Google to capture that budget. So wicked, sick little ninja trick there. If you've noticed that Performance Max is heading off in a direction that you don't necessarily want it, you can course correct. I'd caution you against trying to outsmart the machine. Sometimes this could work to your benefit. Sometimes Google could actually be on a tear and about to go accomplish your goal, and then you force it into a direction. So the question really becomes, do you want results or do you want to be in search and shopping? And I can see where sometimes people are like, no, I actually really need to be in search because. And I can also see sometimes where people say, no, I know that results will come when I come from search and shopping. Just be careful about being too heavy-handed in guiding Google. That said, I think it's a wicked ninja little trick. Happy to bring it to you. I'll see you tomorrow. Wait, before you go, I'm constantly looking for amazing people to come join our team. So if you're passionate about Google Ads and you're passionate about customer success, please go to solate.com/apply, and we'd love to see you as a part of the Solutions 8 team. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that we actually know what we're doing. And don't forget to subscribe. We shoot a video every single day, and I don't want you to miss out on any of it. Lastly, if you have questions, comments, concerns, confessions, or you just hate my face and my voice, go ahead and hit us up in the comments. We get very little human interaction, and even the heckling is something that I kind of get a kick out of. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being subscribers if you're a subscriber. Don't forget to apply if you're interested in working at Solutions 8. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.